class while ago for the funding that's presented to the states through the Congress, so that's been really helpful. So that's probably the two best things I've seen so far.
Definitely the sound, the music, and movement. I think that was my favorite out of the whole thing. Very fun, very engaging for the students.
It is so good, and that's why I come here. I love these people. They're family.
Bringing the fun into the classroom, having fun while moving and playing and learning, and keeping me on my toes to do the best I can as a teacher. Thank you, Frog Street. I really enjoyed it. I hope to see you next year.
This morning I went to the puppet show, and I know that I'm going to go back to my classroom and get a mascot and a place for them to live in their home to come out for the morning message every day.